AI just broke the internet again. Tools are dropping that build entire apps from plain English, edit any image like it's Photoshop on steroids, and even catch deep fakes before your eyes notice. And all of this? Literally hours old. Welcome back to XAI Toolverse, the place where you see the AI revolution unfold in real time. Let's dive in. Microsoft's Independence Play, MAI Voice 1 and MAI 1 Preview. Microsoft just fired a massive shot across the AI landscape with its first fully in-house models, MAI Voice 1 and MAI 1 Preview. This isn't just another product launch, it's Microsoft's declaration of independence from OpenAI. MAI Voice 1 is their lightning-fast speech generation powerhouse, capable of producing a full minute of high-quality audio in under a second on a single GPU. We're talking professional-grade voice synthesis that's already powering Copilot Daily and their new podcast features. The efficiency is staggering. It's designed for both single and multi-speaker scenarios with what Microsoft calls high-fidelity, expressive audio. Meanwhile, MAI 1 Preview represents their text model ambitions, trained on approximately 15,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs. It's built to excel at instruction following and everyday queries. What's fascinating is Microsoft's strategy here. They're not trying to build the biggest model. Instead, they're focusing on efficiency and consumer optimization, something that could give them a real edge in practical applications. The timing couldn't be more strategic. With tensions rising between Microsoft and OpenAI, these models give Microsoft the independence they need, while potentially offering better integration with their existing ecosystem of Windows, Office, and Teams. OpenAI's GPT Real-Time Go's production. Ready, OpenAI wasn't sitting idle. They've officially moved their real-time API out of beta and introduced GPT Real-Time, their most advanced speech-to-speech model yet. This isn't just an incremental update. It's a fundamental architectural shift. Unlike traditional voice AI that chains together speech-to-text, language processing, and text-to-speech models, GPT Real-Time handles everything in one unified system. The result? Dramatically reduced latency, while preserving all the subtle cues that make conversation feel natural. Pauses, laughter, tone changes, even mid-sentence language switching. The performance improvements are measurable. 82.8% accuracy on reasoning tasks compared to 65.6% from their previous model, and 30.5% on complex instruction following versus 20.6% before. Exclusively available through the real-time API. But here's what's really exciting for developers. The API now supports image inputs, phone calling through Session Initiation Protocol, SIP, and Remote Model Context Protocol servers. This means you can build voice agents that can see, make actual phone calls, and connect to external tools, all through a single API. Hunyuan Video Foley. Open source audio revolution. Tencent's Hunyuan team just solved one of AI video's biggest problems with Hunyuan Video Foley. Ever notice how AI-generated videos feel eerily silent? This open-source model changes that by generating professional-grade Foley audio that's perfectly synchronized with video content. The technical innovation here is impressive. Most video-to-audio models suffer from modality imbalance. They pay too much attention to text prompts and ignore what's actually happening in the video. Hunyuan Video Foley solves this with a multimodal diffusion approach that balances visual and textual information intelligently. The results speak for themselves. 48 kHz professional-grade audio output that supports everything from footsteps and ambient sounds to complex multi-speaker scenarios. For content creators, this is huge. No more hiring Foley artists or dealing with copyright-heavy sound libraries. Just upload your silent footage, describe what you want, and get broadcast-ready audio. Google Vids gets AI avatars and image-to-video. Google Vids just became the video creation platform everyone's been waiting for, with a massive update that includes AI avatars, image-to-video capabilities powered by VO3, and automatic transcript trimming. The AI avatar feature is particularly game-changing for businesses. You can now write a script, select an avatar, and generate professional-looking training videos, demos, or announcements without ever stepping in front of a camera. This puts enterprise-grade video creation tools that previously cost thousands of dollars into the hands of anyone with a Google Workspace account. The image-to-video capability is equally impressive. Upload any photo, a product shot, company logo, or marketing image, and VO3 transforms it into dynamic 8-second clips with native audio generation. For marketers and social media managers, this is a productivity revolution. What sets Google Vids apart is its integration with the entire Google ecosystem. You can start with a Google Doc, let Gemini generate a video template, add your own media from Drive, and collaborate in real time just like you would with slides or sheets. xAI's Grok Code. Fast 1, speed meets intelligence. Elon Musk's xAI entered the coding assistant arena with Grok Code Fast 1. And the fast in the name isn't marketing hype. This 314 billion parameter mixture of experts model delivers approximately 92 tokens per second with a massive 256,000 token context window. What makes this model special isn't just speed, it's the agentic coding capabilities. Grok Code Fast 1 shows its thinking trace and supports function calling, meaning it can run shell commands, edit files, and perform multi-step operations autonomously. It's not just generating code, it's executing entire coding workflows. The pricing is aggressive, 20 cents per million input tokens and $1.50 per million output tokens, with cached tokens at just 2 cents per million. Compare that to premium models that cost over $1,000 per million tokens, and you can see xAI's strategy to gain market share through accessibility. The model is already available through GitHub Copilot's public preview, making it accessible to millions of developers immediately. Cohere Command A, enterprise-grade efficiency. Cohere's Command A isn't trying to be the biggest model. It's trying to be the smartest for enterprise use. At 111 billion parameters, it runs efficiently on just 2 GPUs while delivering 150% higher throughput than its predecessor, Command R+. The model excels at enterprise-critical tasks, retrieval augmented generation, IRAG, tool use, and multilingual capabilities across 23 languages. With a 256,000 token context window, it can handle lengthy documents and complex business workflows without breaking stride. What's compelling for businesses is the deployment flexibility. Command A can run privately within company infrastructure, addressing data security concerns while maintaining competitive performance with much larger models. Qwen Image Edit from Alibaba. And this is insane. This isn't just another image editor. This is a 20 billion parameter AI that can edit images with surgical precision. Here's what makes it crazy. You can edit Chinese and English text directly inside images while preserving the original font, style, and layout. Imagine fixing typos on posters, changing text on business cards, or even correcting handwritten Chinese calligraphy, all with AI precision. But wait, there's more. It does semantic editing like changing backgrounds, rotating objects, and appearance editing like adding, removing elements. The best part? It's completely open source under Apache 2.0 license. Content creators are already using this to fix mistakes in thumbnails, marketers are updating ad campaigns in real time, and designers are saving hours of manual work. Next up is CodeGlide AI, the game changer for enterprise developers. This tool automatically converts any API into AI-ready MCP servers. Here's why this matters. Most companies have thousands of legacy APIs that AI can't understand. CodeGlide fixes that by creating a continuous lifecycle platform that monitors API changes and keeps AI connections updated 24/7. Think about it. Enterprises are saving 97% integration time and 90% costs. It's built 100% on GitHub ecosystem, so developers love it. If you're working with AI agents or LLMs in your company, this tool just became your best friend. Now, this is where it gets futuristic. AlphaSense just launched the world's first AI that conducts real interviews with human experts. This AI agent calls up industry professionals, asks intelligent follow-up questions, and generates market insights automatically. We're talking about AI that's literally calling people, having conversations, and creating business intelligence reports. Early users are getting market signals, demand shifts, and supply chain insights before anyone else. This is literally the future of business research, happening today. Here's one that every developer needs: HoundDog AI, the industry's first AI-focused privacy code scanner. With all the AI coding happening, this tool automatically detects when your code or AI-generated code might leak PII, PHI, or sensitive data. It scans everything, from IDE to production, and catches privacy violations before they happen. Since launch, it's already scanned 20,000-plus repositories for Fortune 1000 companies and prevented hundreds of critical data leaks. In the AI era, this isn't optional, it's essential. I'll break down the most discussed, most shared, and absolutely jaw-dropping AI launches that are setting the internet on fire right now. Let's get straight into the action. No time to blink. First up, let's talk about a tool that's already redefined what going viral means. Yapper. Imagine an AI that takes your script, news, joke, or reaction and instantly generates studio-grade video content. We're not just talking basic talking heads. Yapper creates expressive avatars, syncs lips and facial gestures to your audio, and drops it all into social media-ready video, complete with trending effects. In the last few hours, meme creators, brands, even mainstream comedians have used Yapper to flood TikTok and Instagram with deepfake-powered reaction content. Good luck trying to spot what's real and what's unreal, but there's more. Yapper's deepfake engine lets creators remix voices and faces in seconds, letting you launch parody skits, music covers, and even wild historic cameos. The virality is off the charts, and if your social feed seems twice as wild lately, now you know why. Moving on to Napkin AI, which just made mind mapping, data storytelling, and business pitching a breeze. This tool takes plain text, be it complex ideas, process outlines, or classroom notes, and magically turns it into polished diagrams, infographics, or charts. No design skills? No problem. Educators are using it to visualize lessons instantly. Business founders are mapping out go-to-market strategies with drag-and-drop simplicity. Marketers are cranking out report visuals that grab attention. The customization is endless. Choose layouts, icons, branding colors, even custom flow logic, and you can export straight to PowerPoint, Notion, or social feeds. Just imagine your next big business pitch or YouTube explainer, built in minutes instead of hours, all with the storytelling impact of a pro design team. Now, here's what's setting the developer world on fire. DeepSeek V3.1. In just the last day, coders everywhere are raving about this update. DeepSeek isn't your average autocomplete. It's a full-blown coding assistant capable of understanding context across multiple files, explaining functions, and even debugging complex logic. It's language agnostic, supports everything from Python to Rust, and learns your workflow as you code. Picture this. You describe a feature in plain English, and DeepSeek drafts the function, structured, documented, ready to deploy. Teams are seeing 40% reduction in code review times, and solo developers are rolling out side projects at breakneck speed. It even integrates with GitHub Copilot and JetBrains. If you've ever wished coding felt more like brainstorming with a genius pair programmer, DeepSeek V3.1 is your dream come true. Another standout from the recent wave is Runway Gen-3, which just went viral for its hyper-realistic video generation capabilities. Runway lets you create short video clips, cinematic, animated, even surreal, using just simple prompts. Designers and marketers are using Gen-3 to bring static images to life, power up brand storytelling, and craft eye-catching ad campaigns in minutes. Its intuitive interface and real-time editing have sparked a surge of social buzz, making Gen-3 a go-to for next-level video creativity. Let's talk about e-commerce industry. E-commerce is having a revolution with SellerPic AI. This powerhouse lets online sellers transform a single product photo into multiple poses, backgrounds, and even generate lip-sync product videos for platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and TikTok. With SellerPic, what used to take hours of photo shoots and editing now takes just seconds, helping even new sellers boost their listings and stand out with studio-quality visuals. Next stop is outer space. NASA and IBM's Surya AI model just landed on Hugging Face, and with it, a revolution in solar weather prediction. Why does this matter? Because solar storms can knock out satellites, scramble GPS, and even disrupt global power. Surya AI is trained on real solar observation data and predicts flares with 16% higher accuracy than conventional systems. Scientists are already sharing visualizations showing how Surya's days-ahead predictions could save millions in disrupted communications and averted disasters. From telecom giants to academic researchers and even amateur astronomers, this is real science fiction made open source, and everyone can try it out right now. Finally, welcome to the future of business automation. Kimi K2. Where most enterprise AI tools require months of setup and training, Kimi K2 runs on pure text and smart logic. You describe a workflow: if payment received, generate invoice, ping sales, schedule delivery, and Kimi builds, triggers, and even adapts steps on the fly. From parsing emails to routing leads and updating dashboards, it bridges code understanding with business logic. No code required. What's truly remarkable is its integration with popular workplace apps and its ability to adapt across industries. Businesses are getting hours back every week, cutting ops costs and scaling processes that once needed entire teams.
First up, let's talk about Proton Lumo AI, which just received a massive upgrade on August 21st, 2025. This isn't your average AI assistant anymore. It's been transformed into a super-powered productivity companion that puts your privacy first. Imagine having an AI that's 170% better at understanding context, 40% more accurate at generating code, and 200% improved at multi-step reasoning, all while ensuring that every single conversation stays completely confidential with zero-access encryption. Picture this on screen: a secure digital workspace where your most sensitive business conversations and creative projects remain yours and yours alone. Proton's approach is revolutionary because, unlike other AI assistants that log your chats and potentially compromise your data, Lumo AI operates with complete transparency through open-source privacy-first technology. This means content creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses can leverage advanced AI capabilities without worrying about their intellectual property being harvested or their strategies being exposed. It's like having a brilliant research assistant who's also a digital vault. Incredibly smart, but absolutely trustworthy. Moving on to something that's going to blow content creators' minds: Google Veo3 AI video generator, which launched its major update on August 21st, 2025. This tool is a complete game changer for anyone in the content creation space. Veo3 can generate hyper-realistic 8-second video clips in 720p resolution from simple text prompts or images, complete with background music in synthesized speech. Think of it like this: you type a cat playing piano in a cozy coffee shop, and within moments you're watching a professionally shot video that looks like it came from a high-end production studio. What's really impressive is Google's approach to responsible AI. Every generated video includes SynthID watermarking and strict content moderation, ensuring creators can produce amazing content while maintaining ethical standards. This feature is already integrated into the Gemini app for both Android and iOS, giving millions of users instant access to professional-grade video creation. For YouTube creators, social media managers, and digital marketers, this represents a seismic shift. No more expensive video shoots or complex editing software. Just pure creative vision transformed into stunning visual content in seconds. Now here's where things get really interesting in the trending space. Deepfake Maker AI has surged an incredible 684% in the last 24 hours, showing massive interest in advanced video and photo manipulation technology. While this tool demonstrates the cutting-edge possibilities of AI-powered content creation, it's part of a broader trend where deepfake technology is becoming more accessible and sophisticated. The technology can create incredibly realistic face swaps and voice clones, which has applications in entertainment, education, and creative storytelling. Picture a film director being able to de-age actors, or educators creating historical figures that can speak directly to students. However, this surge in popularity also reflects growing awareness of the need for detection tools and ethical guidelines around synthetic media creation. Speaking of automation, shippable AI is trending with a 676% surge, representing a fascinating development in logistics and supply chain automation. This AI-powered platform is experimenting with revolutionary approaches to shipping optimization. using machine learning algorithms to predict optimal routes, reduce delivery times by up to 30%, and cut transportation costs by 22%. Imagine a system that can analyze thousands of variables, traffic patterns, weather conditions, fuel costs, and delivery windows, then automatically coordinate the most efficient shipping strategies in real time. For businesses managing complex supply chains, this represents potential savings of millions of dollars annually, while dramatically improving customer satisfaction through faster, more reliable deliveries. Finally, let's highlight Colorings AI, which is experiencing a 660% trending surge in revolutionizing the graphic design landscape. This AI-powered color palette generator goes far beyond basic color selection. It uses advanced algorithms to analyze current design trends, brand psychology, and aesthetic harmony to create perfectly balanced color schemes. Picture this. A designer working on a sustainable energy brand simply types eco-friendly modern tech, and Colorings AI generates multiple sophisticated palettes that not only look stunning, but are psychologically optimized to convey trust, innovation, and environmental consciousness. What's particularly exciting is its integration with augmented reality features, allowing designers to visualize color schemes in real-world environments before implementation. For graphic designers, web developers, and brand managers,
Lightning round, 5 more game changers. Google Gemma 3270M. Google's compact powerhouse designed specifically for task-specific fine-tuning. At just 270 million parameters, it's optimized for developers who need efficient, specialized models that can run anywhere from workstations to smartphones. HTC Vive Eagle Smart Glasses. HTC's entry into the AI glasses race weighs under 49 grams and packs a 12-megapixel camera, AI assistant powered by Google Gemini, and real-time translation in 13 languages. Currently available only in Taiwan for around $520. It's positioned as a direct competitor to Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses. eBay's AI seller tools. eBay's suite of AI tools for sellers includes listing optimization, demand prediction, and automated pricing. More than 10 million sellers have used these tools to create over 200 million listings, with 500,000 listings daily, now crafted with AI assistance. Universal AI Detector. Scientists developed a detection system achieving 95 to 99% accuracy in identifying deepfake videos across all manipulation types. Unlike previous tools that focused only on facial manipulation, this universal detector analyzes entire video backgrounds and can even identify realistic video game footage as synthetic. Xiaomi's Mi Dashing LM-7B. Xiaomi's open-source voice model powers over 30 smart features across their product lineup. The model doesn't just understand speech. It can detect ambient sounds, background music, and environmental noise, making it perfect for smart home security and automotive applications. Behind all these technical achievements, Globant Enterprise AI 2.0 just launched The Station, a marketplace with 50-plus pre-built AI agents for instant deployment across industries. Meanwhile, DTEC's Risk Adaptive DLP introduced the first AI-powered data loss prevention that learns from behavior patterns and adapts security policies in real time. Both are enterprise-grade tools that are changing how businesses implement AI. Lightning AI just solved the biggest problem in AI development: GPU access. Their new multi-cloud GPU marketplace lets you access GPUs from AWS, Google Cloud, Lambda, and specialized neoclouds through one interface. No more vendor lock-in, no more infrastructure headaches. You can switch between cloud providers based on cost, performance, or region, all in real time. Teams are seeing 70% cost reductions. If you're training AI models, this marketplace just became your secret weapon. For creators, 2 tools are absolutely exploding right now. Qwen TTS from Alibaba, the new state-of-the-art text-to-speech model with incredible expressiveness and multi-language support. Content creators are using it for voiceovers, podcasts, and video narration with Hollywood-quality results. Then there's the AI tattoo designer on AI Exploria. Upload a photo or describe an idea, and it generates custom tattoos in any style: anime, tribal, watercolor, you name it. Tattoo artists are using this for client consultations and design inspiration. Google just quietly dropped Opal, their no-code AI mini app builder that's completely free. Describe an app in plain English, and it builds the entire workflow using visual editors. We're talking about creating functional web apps without writing a single line of code. Plus, there's a new AI-powered game maker that creates multiplayer games from simple ideas. Indie developers are using it to prototype game concepts in minutes instead of months. Finally, two tools that are going viral on social media: Face Swap and Deepfake tool for one-click bulk face swapping with incredibly realistic results. Meme creators and content creators are having a field day. And AI Exploria's intelligent browser that anticipates your browsing needs provides AI-powered security and creates a completely new web experience. It's like having an AI assistant built into your browser, now at AI speed. Here's a lightning round of the other viral launches making waves and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. ClipForge instantly creates YouTube Shorts and Reels from long-form videos using AI-powered highlight detection. Polyglot Voice, a translation engine that dubs your videos into 30+ languages with pitch-perfect emotional matching. MindMesh. Teams are using this tool to brainstorm, vote, and build collaborative mind maps in real time. No more post-it notes. Forecastly AI. Imagine weather prediction for your business. It merges local data, events, and even news signals to predict demand, supply disruptions, and pricing trends. All AI-powered. BrandSync AI. Marketers, meet your new superpower. Advanced trend spotting, campaign management, and copy generation, all rolled into an interface that learns your audience as you grow.
This tool is eliminating hours of trial and error color selection while ensuring their designs achieve maximum visual impact and emotional resonance. Here's a lightning round of what else is making waves, showing the incredible breadth of AI innovation happening right now. Microsoft Project Ire, an autonomous malware detection system that watches file behavior and flags 90% of threats without human intervention, revolutionizing cybersecurity. Google DeepMind Genie-3 creates full 3D interactive game worlds with physics simulation and memory tracking, transforming game development prototypes. OpenAI GPTOSS released open-source models that can run locally on laptops, giving developers complete control and independence from cloud systems. Anthropic Claude Opus 4.1 enhanced multi-step reasoning and tool integration capabilities for complex research and analysis workflows. What we've witnessed in just the last 48 hours is a clear acceleration toward AI tools that aren't just smart. They're becoming truly autonomous, privacy-conscious, and incredibly specialized. From revolutionizing video creation and logistics automation to transforming design workflows and cybersecurity, these new AI innovations represent a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology and solve real-world problems. The future of AI isn't just about making things faster, it's about empowering creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses to achieve things that were literally impossible just days ago. We highly recommend you explore these trending tools and see how they might revolutionize your own work or creative projects. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts on these groundbreaking AI developments, and subscribe to XAI Toolverse for more deep dives into the most exciting innovations shaping our digital future.